are you doing? Oh, that's ready. Mommy.
Mom. Delicious.
Right.
Who made it?
It's Choma.
Who's Choma?
She's the chief maiden. The best amongst all of them.
Wait. The dark-skinned girl I saw outside?
Very nice girl. She is beautiful inside out.
She made this? Wow, that's good.
Very nice girl.
And you know, she's very disciplined for a young girl of her age. And yet she has no father, no mother, no brother, no sister, an orphan.
She's well behaved.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You must really like her. Wow, that's good. Dad, you look good. Mom's been taking good care of you. Mom, you look good too.
Thank you, my darling. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Obiora, we missed you.
I miss you too, Mom.
Oh my God. Welcome back.
Looks like your mom.
Dad, you look good. Mom takes good care of you. Come in.
Greetings, my prince. You sent for me.
Yes. I sent for you. Sit. Please.
You want me to sit?
Yes, sit down. I'd like to have a word with you.
I'm sorry, my prince, but I can't. I can't sit on a royal bed. I am just a common maid. Please. I can't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my prince.
Would you like to taste the wrath of my anger? I command you to sit now.
My prince, I can hear you while standing. Please.
I'm aware you're in this palace to carry out your duties as a maid. But that's not enough reason to see yourself as a commoner. You're a human, and so am I. We are equal in the eyes of God. You need to relax. I have a lot of questions to ask you, but first I need you to tell me about yourself. Your background, and everything I need to know about you.
My name is Chioma Okezie. I am the daughter of late Mazi and Madam Okezie. I am an orphan.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you.
So in the absence of not having your father, your mother, do you have siblings?
No, but I have an uncle.
I see. So, how have you been coping? I mean, who takes care of you? Your uncle? Or do you have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend. I have never had.
You don't have a boyfriend?
No.
You don't have a boyfriend? You've never had one?
No, my prince.
Okay, like I said, I'd like to talk about a lot of things, but let that be the next time I see you, okay?
Okay, my prince.
You may go.
Thank you, my prince.
What are you doing alone here, pacing around like a gorilla?
Amara, there is a problem. As it is now, I am very, very angry. I feel like killing someone.
Killing someone? What happened? What did the person do to you?
Wonders shall never cease to happen in this palace. But I promise you, I will not let it happen. In fact, I can't take that anymore. Never.
You're still not saying anything. What is it?
You will not believe what I saw. I saw Chioma, that stupid girl, coming out from the prince's bedroom, almost half naked.
Shh! What are you saying?
I saw her buttoning her dress. Amara, what does that mean? She just laid with the prince.
Shut your mouth. How can you say a thing like that? Did you see them doing it?
Oh, Amara, are you blind? Don't you have eyes? In Apodiala. I know what I saw. And I don't have any reason to confront her for it. I saw her before. I saw her dressing up. She seduced our prince. Okay.
I have to confront her. I need to know what gave her the gut to sleep with the prince, who just got back from abroad yesterday.
Oh,
What is her problem?
oh, I don't know what her problem is. But you see, this palace will not contain Choma and I. Or think it possible. What nonsense?
Choma, I want to ask you a question and I want you to tell me the truth. Did you enter the prince's room?
I don't understand your question. What is wrong with that?
You still haven't answered my question. Did you enter the prince's room?
Okay, fine. Since you want to know, I will tell you. Yes. The prince sent one of the guards to come call me. And when I got there, he asked me everything about me. He said he wanted to know everything about me, my family, my parents, everyone around me. And I told him, are you satisfied now?
So you did enter this room?
Are you okay?
Lies! Choma, you are a liar. In fact, your lies are from the pit of hell. You. Choma, you. Look at this girl. Oh. Why are you deceiving? You can lie to her, not me. You think I don't know what happened. I saw you coming out of the prince's bedroom. The innocent prince, okay, Nafo? Innocent prince that just arrived. This girl went and seduced him. Mrs. Jackasin! If a palace guards, it's a hair. If a prince, it's a cassie everywhere.
What are you talking about?
Hey, you don't know what I'm talking about.
You don't have sense.
Me, I don't have sense. You are the senseless one. You're a fooler. Mrs. Jackasin, if everywhere it's a hair, if you say prince, it's a cassie everywhere. I'm going to don't touch me.
Are you sure of the things you're saying?
Go and ask her. What do you mean, are you sure? Don't you have eyes? What? Your ears are they not working?
What if she tells the prince what you just said now?
I will deny you. And I will deny her too.
You will deny me and you will deny her?
Yes. Hey, Bia, look at you, this Mrs. Jackasin. You cannot advise who is opening everywhere, left and right.
Mind what you say in this palace.
Igwe, actually, Okonta and Obiako and my very self, we were here last time and we had a discussion concerning the last discussion we had at the last AK market days. And we have been waiting for you to respond, but up till now, no reasonable response from you. And we are surprised, and that is why we are here again, to know why you have not given us a good answer.
And the discussion is?
To crown me the Ono of this great kingdom, since the recent Ono had joined his ancestors. And with all due respect, Your Highness, it is the turn of Umu Ezemba to produce an Ono.
Icheufele.
Your Highness.
Okonta.
Your Highness.
Obiako, right?
Your Highness.
You already know the answer to your question. But if it must come from my mouth, let me say it. The Ezemba family will not, cannot, will never produce an Onowu in Umuana kingdom. For your information, someone is already standing by for that position. If you want to know, ask questions. You go. You all can go. You know your way out.
Igwe, is there something wrong Umu Ezemba family did to you that you don't want to tell us?
Get with the phone. Like I have told you, this discussion is ended.
Greetings, my elder.
You're welcome, my prince.
You all do not look happy. Is everything all right?
My prince, why not go in there and ask your father, our Igwe?
My father?
Yes.
Has he done something wrong?
My prince, you heard what the Shehu fella said. Just go in there and ask your father.
Exactly. Let's go. Thank you.
Go in.
Father. Is everything all right?
Yes.
I just met with some of your elders. They spoke to me with so much anger and rage. When I engaged them to find out what the problem is, they instructed me to ask you. Is there something I should know?
Oh, those strangers, don't bother yourself with them.
Father, you just addressed one of your chiefs as a stranger? Really?
Son, whatever issues I have with those people, I can handle without a stress. Don't bother yourself about them.
Father, I suggest you sort out what the problem is. You know, having problems with some of your elders could mean offending them, could have spiritual implications.
But I've told you, don't bother yourself about those strangers. I can handle it without stress, okay? That reminds me, you're just coming back from somewhere.
Yes.
Aha! So you should go and rest. You work too hard these days. Rest. But before I forget, ask Choma to serve your meal. Excuse me.
Dad, are you sure everything is alright?
Prince, your drink is here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you, my prince.
And you've got the warmest smile I've ever seen.
Thank you, my prince.
Your smiles make you even more beautiful.
Thank you, my prince. I have to go now. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to call me.
Can you imagine? What nonsense. What is so special about that choma of a girl? Just see the way our prince was looking at her smiling. You know, a prince that just returned from the UK has suddenly developed this likeness for her. Come to think of it, I've been battling with the likeness everybody has for her in this palace. Now the prince just returned and joined them. Why must it be her? What is so special about her? Is she more beautiful than I am?
Nebekwan. Even me, is she more beautiful than I am? What is so special about her that everyone in this palace likes her? Eh? What? Oh, can you imagine? Hey, the witch is coming.
Tochi and Amarachi. So this is where you guys are. I've been looking for you.
And what for? Oh, you've turned to monitoring spirit. Aria, you want to know our whereabouts?
Tochi, what is even your problem? No, I keep asking you this. What is your problem? What is your problem with me? Why is it that anytime you see me, your body will be biting you? What is it?
Me?
What is
My
it?
body biting me. Something is wrong with you.
Something
You see
is
that
wrong with
drugging
you
man?
too. And you? You've joined her.
Hold it right there. Don't ever mention my name again.
And if I do, what would you do? Anyway, it's fine. I haven't come here to banter words with you both. I've come to inform you that I'm done cooking. So if you're hungry, come inside and get your food.
Get out. Just leave this place. Me, eat your food. That poison you made. See, this girl wants to kill us.
You want to poison us? We don't want your poisonous food, so
go
you don't
away.
kill us.
Yes.
Yes.
You called my food poison.
Yes.
And you don't want to eat it, right?
Never.
Tochi, you don't want to eat.
I don't want to eat. If I'm hungry, I know where to get myself food.
Amarachi, you don't want to eat.
I don't want your food. I don't want her food though.
Fine. Just fine. No problem. You know, henceforth, I am never gonna serve you both food again in this palace. And if you're not comfortable with it, go ahead and report to the Igwe. I know how to clear my name. Never.
As if I don't know my way to the kitchen.
Let me catch you.
Fula. Banje.
Tochi. How will I go and tell her that I'm hungry? My stomach is biting me, Tochi.
You, this Amarachi, you are so shameless and foolish at the same time. So as big as you are, you don't have sense. Didn't the Bible say that thou shalt not always eat food? Meaning, thou shalt not live by bread alone.
It's okay.
My friend, see, I did not beg you to recruit yourself in this battle. If you know you are not willing to fight this battle with me, stay away from me.
Can I ask you a question? Why are you so interested in Chioma's service to the prince? Are you interested in Prince Obiora?
To fear what? Me. Tochi. Interested in who? That's Yellow Popo. Ochako Omaka. Is it because he's a prince? He's just an ordinary prince. Oh, you think I like him because he came back from the UK? Let me tell you, if I save up my salary, maybe 2 years or 3 years of my salary, I'll be able to travel to the UK.
For where?
What will I do with that one? He's not even that fine. He's not cute at all. Ordinary prince. That one.
Hey.
Not like he's one cute guy like that. He just tried. Yellow Popo.
Is that why you're getting angry? Is that why you're walking away? my God. This girl will not put me into trouble. How will I go and ask Chioma that I want to eat? Me, I'm hungry. Oh. Tochi.
Listen, we're doing our best. So how are you? How's your family? How's the UK? Royalty looks luxurious, but it comes with a lot of work. Right. So there's this ceremony we're preparing for. My father and some of the chiefs in council, they're trying to coronate the new prime minister. Yeah. And that's what we're preparing for. Listen, I'm going to call you at 8 p.m. I'm sure you're back from work at the time, yeah? Okay, so I'll call you. All right, cheers. Cheers, mate. Okay, bye. Right. Can I help you?
No. Yes, my prince, yes. I want to tell you something.
What's that?
I want to tell you that I am here for you. Anything you want me to do for you, my prince, anything at all, no matter what it is, I'm here. I'm always at your service. Anything at all, any errand at all, I'll do it.
What's your name?
Tochi, my prince.
What?
Tochi, my prince.
Tochi, okay. Thanks for your concern, but I already told Choma to handle all of my affairs. So don't bother.
No, my prince, I'm not complaining. Choma alone cannot do all your affairs. I am here for you. Anything you want at all.
Tochi, that'll be all for now. Thank you.
Thank you, my prince.
So tell me, if you're offered a better paying job, would you take it?
Why not? I mean, who wouldn't?
So you like the good things of life?
Of course I do.
And you don't find them here? Okay, let's say if you get a better job than working in the palace, you would ignore the palace with me in it and you go for the job.
I don't understand. I don't understand your question.
Choma, I have one more question for you. And I want you to be very honest.
Okay.
You're a very pretty woman. And sometimes I can't help but think about how many men try to talk to you on a daily basis. And how many have you accepted?
A lot of them. But they don't interest me at all.
Why?
Let me just say, because of my job, I don't need any distractions. And again, I made a vow to myself that any man that sees my body would be my husband.
That's impressive. Congratulations.
For what?
I mean, the decision you have made, an important decision. I mean, to say any man who sees your body must be your husband. That's a good thing. Right.
Greetings, my friends.
Hi.
Choma, Her Majesty wants to see you.
Oh, okay. I will be with her shortly.
Shortly. Who are you to keep the queen waiting? She said you should come with me now.
Hey, what's wrong with you? She said she would be with you shortly. What part of that don't you understand? Are you trying to pull her to my mother?
I'm sorry.
Just go. Come on.
I'm sorry.
My mother never ceases to amaze me. Sometimes I don't know where she brought these rude girls from. They're scattered all over the place.
My prince, please, I have to go now.
It's okay. Take your time.
Thank you. Greetings, my queen. You sent for me.
Where were you?
I was outside discussing with the prince.
Discussing with the prince? My son? You were not afraid? You were outside discussing with my son, the prince. What were you discussing with him?
My queen, it's nothing serious. He just wanted me to keep him company.
The prince of Umona asked you to keep him company. And you weren't afraid?
I'm sorry, my queen.
You sat with him? A common maid like you?
I'm sorry.
An orphan, for that matter.
I'm sorry.
You weren't afraid? You sat before my son?
I'm sorry, my queen.
So he asked you to keep him company and you sat with him? Discussing with him as what? As people of the same level or what? Eh?
I'm sorry, my queen.
If I ever hear you talk to my son or see you standing beside him next time, you will regret ever stepping your foot into this palace to work.
Yes, my queen. It will never happen again, I promise.
It's better not. By the way, why have you not finished preparing lunch?
I'm done, my queen. I was just waiting for your order to dish the food.
You better go and do that immediately.
Thank you, my queen. Okay.
Can you imagine that my son asked her to keep him company and she had the guts to sit beside my son? Hi! So children of nowadays don't even have fear any longer. They don't have respect for people that are higher than them. Can you imagine an ordinary maiden, an orphan for that matter? Anyway, I don't blame her. It's because of the way we are treating you people in this palace. Try it next time.
Tochi, let me even ask you. What is it? What is your problem with me? What is it? Why is it that every time you see me, everything about you, your body, your entire system will start malfunctioning? What is it? What is eating you up? What is biting you? What is it about me that is haunting you? Huh?
Are you talking to me? Huh?
No. Maybe I was talking to a ghost. Of course I'm talking to you.
In Apwala.
You're sick.
You're a stupid girl for saying that.
Like, I don't understand. You better open your mouth and talk. Talk now or I will go report you to the law.
This girl is such a stupid girl. Auntie, you can go and report me to the entire kingdom. I don't care. I am warning you, stay off my path. Chioma, leave me alone in this palace. I'm no fear. I don't have your time. I don't just have your time. Pretender do the worst. I'm not pam.
Did she just call me pretender? I don't pretend.
My son.
Yes, Mom.
I heard something that made me worried today. Some minutes ago, I was looking for Chioma. Finally, I saw her. I asked her where she has been. She told me that she was with you outside. That you asked her to keep you company. Was that true?
And what's wrong with that?
Everything is wrong. That girl is a common palace maid. A commoner. How can you ask a palace maid to keep you company? Have you forgotten who you are? You are a prince. You are not of the same class with her. You shouldn't have done that.
Mom.
You can't stoop so low as to ask Chioma to keep you company. My son, you are a prince. You are royalty.
Are you done?
Yes.
Alright, I strongly believe everyone is entitled to their opinions. But Mom, point of correction. We're all equal in the eyes of God. Besides, there's nothing wrong with spending time with Chioma. She's a human being. I'm human. You are human. Dad is human. And there's nothing absolutely wrong asking her to keep me company.
Your Majesty, did you hear your son? You need to talk some sense into him.
I heard him loud and clear. What he's only telling us is that he's kind of a bit lonely, you know. And that's maturity. So I think he would need someone to keep him company while he's in Nigeria, you know. And if he travels abroad for his studies, well, she can actually stay with us here. We'll look over her. And when he finally returns, we could go to the parents' house and do the needful.
Wow.
Son, that's it. Okay?
Yes, Your Majesty. That is perfect. My son, did you hear your father? You are not saying anything.
Oh no, he's not saying anything because our people say silence means consent. Son.
Congratulations in advance.
So we'll do that. We'll do that.
Congratulations in advance. We'll have to get you the word.
Greetings, my prince. You sent for me. Are you okay? You don't look happy.
Chioma, there's fire on the mountain. Something is about to happen. But I'm here to encourage you. No matter what happens, stay calm. Alright? Be quiet. Stay calm.
Oh my goodness. What are you talking about?
Listen, just relax.
No, please tell me. What are you talking about? What is going on?
The
queen, right?
Hold on.
She wants to sack me.
Shoma, listen to me.
She wants to sack me.
Shh.
Please talk to her. I can't lose my job.
Listen to me.
Please.
Listen to me. Everything is going to be fine. Just relax.
Hi.
We're going to have this conversation later.
Hi.
Please, go back.
My prince.
You can go. Now. Go back.
Again? Eh? Why? What have we done to this man? Eh? Can you this man that seen a umu ezemba merie? Eh?
Man, welcome. How did it go?
Ichokadike has been crowned Yonowo of this kingdom.
You see, I told you not to go to that coronation, but he insisted.
You see, my going to that place is not a bad idea at all. I went there to witness everything myself. Everybody in this community knows that it is our turn to produce Onowu. But this Igwe said no. This is not the first time. This is not the second. This is not the third. Eh? You see, I know what to do. Honestly. Because the way I'm seeing things, it's obvious that this man did not want us to remain in this community again. Ochoro!
So, what do you intend doing now? 9. Let me suggest. Forget about this Onowu title of 18 and face your future. Onowu title, it does not take anyone to heaven. Forget it.
What future are you talking about? Huh? I know you will not understand. You don't understand anything. Huh? But don't worry. I know what to do, like I said. In a future, I can maruzolo Igbo. Huh? But now see future. Future. Forget about future. Forget about this. What future are we talking about?
Who feel it? Okonta. What do we do? Things are getting out of hand. First, it was Nnabufe's turn to be crowned Olowu. They deny him of it. Secondly, it becomes Mbakwe's turn. The same thing happened. But totally, it was Afosu's turn. They still deny him. 3 of them died because they couldn't fight for their right. Now, it is your turn. The Igwe gave it to another person. Why are they doing this thing to us?
You know, why are they doing this? Eh? Issue open. Now that Igwe did this to you, are you going to keep quiet? Or do you want what happened to others to happen to you? You just had him.
No, it cannot. Again. See, I must fight for my rights. And we have to go and see the Igwe and discuss this issue with him. and see what he will tell us. If he does not reply us well, we will now leave this community with our people. I think that is the best option.
Bam. Do you think it is best thing to do?
You see why at times I have problem with you. Eh? You will not talk like a man. Just listen to yourself. Just look at the question you are asking. Eh? Please, I don't want to get problems with you. Like I said, we'll go and see the king, talk with him, and listen to what he has to tell us. That's all.
That's what we do. But I'm not money on no.
Yes, we'll have to go and see him.
Honestly, Njideka, I am worried.
About what?
About Tochi. About Tochi. I don't know what is wrong with that girl. Anytime she sees me, she acts as if she has seen a demon, she has seen an enemy. I don't know. I don't even know what we are dragging.
You don't know what you are dragging?
I don't. I honestly don't.
Okay. Let me tell you what you both are dragging. Number one, you both are dragging position. Tochi came to this palace before you. But the queen and the king chose you to be the head maiden. Because she came first, she thought they would give it to her. That's number one. Number two, immediately the prince came back, he made you his personal maid. Tochi has been eyeing that position since she came to this palace. But the prince chose you. Then number three, Tochi is jealous of you. Because of your good character, that's why you got all these good things. But Tochi is jealous of you. I even saw Tochi and the prince the other day. Tochi was telling the prince that she wants to be the maid to serve him. But the prince was like, Chioma is already the person. She said no, that she can do anything the prince wants her to do just to be his personal maid. But the prince said no, that you're in that position. That is what you are dragging. All these things I mentioned now.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. So how come you're just telling me now?
But I'm telling you now. Like I said a few days ago.
This is crazy. So what do I do now?
You want me to give you my answer?
Yes, because I'm confused.
Just be a bad girl. Leave the good girl. Just be a bad girl. So that you and Tochi will do it blow to blow, man to man. Just be a bad girl. Simple.
I don't understand. I should leave my personality and start acting like another person. Njideka, you know it is not in my nature to be a bad person. Like, I can't even pretend. I should do it because of who?
Tochi.
Really? I can't.
Then if you can't, don't look at somebody's opinion. Somebody's opinion does not matter in your life. Just live your life and leave her. Don't look at her. If she's looking front, look back. If she's looking back, look front. Simple. Please come and give me food. Come and give me food now. Is it because of Tochi that I will not eat? I'm not Tochi. Come and give me food.
Njideka, I honestly don't know why she's acting like
Leave that girl.
I'm still finding it hard to understand.
Leave her. Forget her. She's not existing.
My prince, I would like to talk to you.
All right, sit down.
I would rather stand.
All right, what is it?
My prince, please. If there is any services that you require, I would prefer you call Tochi to assist you.
Why?
I have noticed that my services is really costing me a lot in this palace, as the queen is no longer comfortable with it. Please, I am just a palace maid. I don't want to get hurt by anyone.
All right, Choma, your duty as a palace maid is the reason why you're here. And not even my parents can stop you from doing that. However, I've listened to what you said, and I'll speak to Tochi about it.
Please. I wouldn't want anything that will affect our job. Please.
It's okay. I'll handle that, okay?
Thank you.
So what was the priest's response?
He said he would talk to his mother about it.
Tochinko?
He said he will caution her. Honestly, Njideka, I am not going to lie to you. I am tired. I am tired of staying in this palace. I'm just tired of everything.
I did not hear you well. You say? No, wait. You're tired of staying in the palace, that you want to leave. Because of who? Ordinary Tochi. Ordinary Tochi that you just do like this, she will disappear. No, stop it now. Stop it. You're falling my hands. I don't like it. So you want to leave this palace because of Tochi? Let me tell you something. The same way Tochi came to this palace is the same way you came. In fact, you are above Tochi. You are Tochi's leader. So if somebody wants to say this thing, it should be Tochi, not you. So you saying that you want to go is that one? In fact, I don't even like that suggestion. Come out from that place. But I don't understand. Are you scared of Tochi? No, you cannot be scared of that girl now. I'm behind you. Anything you are doing, you'll be doing it with full morale. So somebody that you can just give one blow, 10 apples is what you... Stop it, though. Stop it. If it's joke, stop it. No problem. The prince will soon go. If the prince go, all these things she's doing, all these things will stop. Because it's because of the prince that she's doing all this rubbish. If the prince go, everything will stop. So just come out from that place because Tochi makota blow here. Stop it though. You're not even dating the prince, so what is the problem? No, you can't. Stop it though.
Oh my goodness, Njideka. Look at you. A young lady. See how your mouth is just whining like typewriter.
Yeah, that's what you should be doing, smiling.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your word of encouragement.
Okay. So let's what? Food. I don't know.
I heard you. Don't have sense. Go on to what?
It's good now.
Foodie.
If I don't eat it, I will die. Let's go now.
So because of these few words that just came out of your mouth, you want to eat?
Do you know the energy? Do you know the energy? I just spot that now. Let me refill.
That's so Gary.
Hello, everybody.
Greetings, my prince.
So I'll just go straight to the point. I called for this meeting because I need to get something off my chest. Something really, really important. In recent times, I have noticed some level of indiscipline amongst some of you girls.
My prince, thank God you noticed it because I have not done anything at all.
Shut up. I'm not done talking.
Sorry.
I made Chioma my personal maid because it is my decision. My reasons are best known to me. How dare you challenge me? How dare you challenge my decision? Especially you, Tochi.
But my prince.
Shut up! Now listen and listen good, everyone. Henceforth, Chioma carries out her duties without any stress. Have I made myself clear? Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Good. Yes?
My prince, can I suggest something?
What's that?
Let's do write and pick.
What's right and pick?
My prince, let's write our names. Then whoever you pick will be your palace mate. So these ones can clear their chest out.
Yes, my prince. I am in
Hey,
support.
shut up. And why should I do that?
So that you clarify this one.
I'm the prince, right? You should obey my orders, right?
But my prince, I support the motion. Let's write and pick.
Yes, let's
Shut up. That's an order. So that's going to make you happy.
Yes, my prince. So they will know that you said because they already gossiping saying that Chioma did something. That's why you picked her.
So what if someone else gets picked and not her?
My prince, let's try it first.
Very well then, go ahead. Hey, stand upright and button up.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry, my prince.
Where do you think this place is? A nightclub? Go ahead. Do that fast. Can you mix it up in front of them? Mix it up. So who does the picking?
My prince, let her pick it.
Alright, Tochi, you. Pick. Be fast about it. What do you have there?
My prince, it was a mistake. Let me pick another one.
Hey. I'm not here to play games. What name do you have there?
My prince, I mistakenly picked Chioma. It was a mistake.
Who wrote it?
Our best friend.
But you picked it.
Who picked it?
Me.
Who picked it?
Me, but it was a mistake, my prince.
Now listen and listen good. Henceforth, Chioma carries out her duties without any stress from you.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, my prince.
If you as much as stress her one more time, you'd have me to contend with.
Yes, sir.
That'll be all for now.
Thank you, my prince.
I'm sure she wrote Chioma everywhere. You wrote Chioma everywhere.
I did
everywhere,
not.
Chioma, everywhere, Chioma.
Take, check it. Get out of here. Asukasu one be yadikos moya. Silence.
Oh no, Igwe. I have a special request to make of you. What can that be? No. I want a well-groomed, beautiful maiden.
A well-groomed, beautiful maiden? Igwe, don't tell me you want to pick another wife.
No. It's not for me.
Okay.
For my son, the prince. You know he studies in London. Now that he's at home, I want to seize the opportunity to engage him so that when he finishes his study in London, he will have a reason to come back home, knowing that he has a very big responsibility at home.
Okay, now I understand. A well-groomed, trained maiden. Igwe, I know of one. My sister's first daughter. She's a good, well-trained maiden. Yes, but the problem now is, Igwe, she just finished school and will be going to Lagos in search of a job.
Tell her to cut her trip. Bring her here.
I will do just that, Igwe.
Thank you.
Count on me.
Yes, and you also know that if it works out, I will appreciate you greatly.
Igwe, I'll get back to you soonest. Igwe, trust me on that.
Oh no, my in-law. It belongs you came to my house. I hope all is well.
All is well, Ichebe. Well, I believe there's no problem. I bring you good news. A good thing is about to happen in your family.
A good thing about to happen in my family. And what could that be?
The Igwe asked me to come and see you, your wife, and your daughter.
What for?
The Igwe wants his son to marry. He told me, and I recommended your daughter Lovette. So he asked me to come and bring her to the palace so they can talk.
The Igwe wants you to come and bring my daughter to the palace so they can talk.
Hey! Oh no! One memo! Simo, longest time. This one you came visiting, I hope all is well.
All is well, all is
What they go kwa? All is well.
All is well.
You're welcome. Wait,
No,
I hope all is well.
all is well. All is well. You will ask me to come and bring your daughter to the palace.
Chem, what has she done?
She has not done anything. She didn't do anything wrong.
I hope she has not committed any crime because this invitation is somehow.
The Igwe wants his son to get married. He told me, so I recommended your daughter love it. So he asked me to come and bring her to the palace so they can talk.
Chelo. Wait, if I understand you correctly, you mean the prince, Igwe's son, wants to marry Lovette, my daughter?
Exactly.
Hey! Hey! But have you told her?
No, I was just talking to your husband now.
Chalo Kamboya. Lovette! Lovette! Lovette, please come!
Mama, oh, you're shouting my name like this. Hope all is well.
All is well, my daughter.
When did you return?
I'm just coming back. And your uncle here told me something very pleasing to my ear.
Good news. I'm good, uncle.
Thank you, my daughter. But let me break the good news.
The Igwe wants his son, Prince Obiora, to marry you.
Eh?
So he asked me to come and bring you to the palace so you can talk.
Jesus. Mama, uncle, wait, you mean the prince wants to marry me? Thank you so much, uncle. So when are we going to the palace?
Tomorrow morning.
Hey!
Oh no. Let me ask you. Has the prince and my daughter seen each other to discuss about this? Did Igwe ask you to come to my house and bring my daughter to the palace? On whose permission? Is the prince aware of this arrangement?
Nah, what kind of question is this? Like one who is not happy that good thing is about to happen to his family.
Agnes.
What kind of question is this? You can jog it. Let me tell you, don't use your bad belly to spoil good things for me. Don't spoil good things for me because I've been dreaming and praying for this kind of a thing to happen to me. And now he's here. You're telling me is Igwe and the son away. What kind of question is this?
Agnes, all I'm saying is that my daughter Lovett has never come back here one day and told me that she discussed such with the prince. She never told me that.
Must she tell you everything? She's a grown girl now. Or what are you talking to?
My daughter Lovett is not going anywhere.
But I'm going somewhere. I'm going to marry the prince, whether you like it or not. The prince is already my husband. I'm going somewhere.
No, what are you saying?
Yes.
Let me tell you. Oh no, I'm sorry. My daughter is going nowhere.
My daughter is coming to the palace. My daughter will go there to see the Igwe.
Will you marry me? Do you want to marry? Are you not my father? Do you want to marry me? We're going to break. I don't like this thing you are saying. No.
Yeah, that's the
You
spirit.
must marry the prince.
I must marry him.
Whether I like it or not.
Yes.
Lovett, get out of this place.
Papa, leave me.
I said, get out of this. Get inside.
I'm going somewhere. We have concluded.
And you, Agnes.
My in-law, I will come back tomorrow as we discussed and conclude.
Although, point of correction, we did not conclude anything. You and I did not conclude anything. I still maintain my daughter is going nowhere. I did not conclude anything with you. If it's about this issue, no, don't bother coming to this place. Don't come.
Oh no, if you can't come, I'll bring my daughter.
Okay.
Don't worry.
I'm a change.
You should always be happy when good things are coming your way and not to frown your face like Kebo Njaba.
Agnes, get inside.
Get inside and do what? My daughter will marry the prince. That's what I want. I've been praying for that. I've been praying for it.
I said it. I said it that Chioma is evil. But you didn't believe me. Look at what just happened back there. Chioma is an evil girl. Yes!
I don't understand what you mean by what just happened there.
Are you blind? Can't you see? Chioma has used charm on our prince. Now let me ask you. Why must it be her name that was picked? Why?
But you picked the name yourself. If Chioma actually uses charm like you rightly said, that means that charm has worked on you, not to see well.
Pam waffle. Her charm worked on me? Never. Who is she? See, let me tell you, her charm can only work on the prince and not me. Or did it possible on Apuala?
Tochi, wait, let me ask you. Why are you so interested in serving the prince? Because I don't understand. Tell me, do you have an eye for the prince?
Please, don't even go there. Are you trying to insult me?
I am not trying to insult you. I'm just asking because I don't understand why you're forcing yourself in this matter. As far as I'm concerned, it's even more stressful. It's like an additional work. What is wrong with you?
I don't blame you. I can see you've joined them.
Nonsense. Hey. Is this girl hiding something away from me? I'm sure she's hiding something. Don't she?
Igwe, it seems you have forgotten how Ezemba, our forefathers, came to Umona Kingdom. I will remind you, Your Highness. There was this community war between Ugwu and Nara, Acharapo, which Ezemba was the only survivor, who now ran to Umona for shelter. And Igwe there accepted him and gave him a place to stay. After performing all the rituals that made him an indigene of Umona, he settled there, got married, and have children. Not until you took over. Igwe, the surprising aspect now is you denying us our right of becoming the Onowu of this kingdom. Let me ask you, are you the Pharaoh of Egypt? Kanjukanegi Igwe.
Ichie Ufelu.
Igwe.
Well done for your wonderful sense of history, your wonderful sense of knowledge. I have told you people that no member of Ezemba family, strangers that you are, will hold any key position in this kingdom. And I maintain my stance. If you don't like it, you can take your people, all of you, no one is left, and live in peace.
Hello.
My brothers, we've had it there now. We are now seen as strangers. Let's go.
Leave, go! Strangers.
Ichie Ufele. Okonta, man. What do we do?
Obiako. And what the Maya? You had Igwe said that if we are not comfortable with what he was doing, that we can go to another place and relocate and settle there.
And you are asking, what do we do? As per me, we need to do something. Something has to be done before they will start treating us like slaves in this kingdom. Huh?
Obiako, Okonta, just go home, prepare yourselves. We're going somewhere tomorrow. Echia. Let's go home and get ready.
Yeah, come on, man. You can't do what do we do? Again, what do we do?
Igwe, as we discussed a few days ago, this is the girl I told you about. My sister's daughter. We are here now, Igwe.
Young girl,
Yes, Your Majesty.
what's your name?
My name is Loveti Bekwe, Your Majesty.
Can you just do a little more introduction about yourself so I can get to know you better?
My name is Loveti Bekwe. I'm from Amachala village in this community. And I'm the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ibekwe Ofonze in this community. I'm a graduate of mass communication in Uniben. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh, really? Nice. I guess Ono has informed you of the reason he brought you to the palace.
Yes, Your Majesty.
And what do you have to say?
Your Majesty, if it's the will of the girls of our land to be the wife of the prince, so be it. Because my mind, I've already accepted him to be my husband.
Oh, you see? That's great. That's, you know what? The gods want to miss
Your Majesty.
Lolo.
What's going on here? This
Oh,
one
sit down, Lolo.
I'm so excited. What's going on?
We have every reason to be excited. We have every reason to be excited. You know, that's your son's wife to be, the prince.
Wow! She's beautiful.
Thank you, my queen.
You are welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
Yeah.
Hey, oh no!
Thank you, no.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, no.
Wow!
Yes.
Hey!
My lord, I hope you have discussed with her. Is everything settled?
Oh, yes. I was just about to ask Uno to take her back to her parents and inform them that she has to move immediately to the palace.
Beautiful! My lord! That's fine.
Yeah.
It's okay. Oh no. Once more. Thank you so much.
Dalo.
Beautiful, please. Come.
Dalo.
Come on.
Hey.
Oh no. Hey! Are you saying that the king and the Lolo asked my daughter to move into the palace as the princess wife to be?
You heard me loud and clear. In fact, your family is blessed.
Hey! Blessing Aburokwan Kobere. In fact, I prayed for it. I dreamt of it.
See? And your dream has come true for real.
Hey! Chukwu Okike Dalo. Hey! Brother. Oh no, my brother. My own brother. May the good Lord bless you. You will live long to reap what you have sown. In fact, I'm still following you. In fact, I am owing you. Yes. I'll give you that vote of thanks one day, very soon. May God bless you.
Amen.
Hey!
My daughter. Hello, my-in-law. I have had your message from the king. You have to go home. I would like to discuss with my family and get back to you.
Discuss with which family? Which other thing are you going to discuss with us that you have not discussed? Tell me, what are you discussing? Don't mind him.
No, please. Oh no, you heard me loud and clear. You heard me. Please, go home. I would like to have a word with my family. I will get back to you.
Hey!
Please.
I don't understand. Eh? My brother, there is no problem. I don't know what you want to discuss with your family or your child that you have not discussed with us. I don't know that thing you want to discuss that you have not discussed. So let me tell you, don't use your kai to spoil the Hennessy.
Hennessy, Mama, is there
Don't use this kai to spoil Hennessy for me. Because let us discuss it now.
Mama, talk to your husband.
Let's talk about it.
I must marry the prince. What are you guys talking?
Let's talk about it. Now you can wait.
Ichemfele. Obiako. Igwe. And Okonta. Igwe. I've heard all what you said. From my own understanding, you came here to seek for my help by allowing you and your families to reside in my community.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Well, this is not the first time you came to request for this. At least Ichemfele here has been here for more than 3 times for the same purpose. Let me ask you, why do you, among all other communities, choose my kingdom as the place you wish to reside?
Your Highness, I will not waste your time. Let me answer you immediately. You are a good man. Everybody knows you to be a good person. And Ekunife as a community is also a nice people that welcome and love even strangers.
Yes, I do.
So that is the reason we have chosen to reside here.
Yes, Your Majesty. Like Ifele said, he's right. You're a nice man. You even love people, whether they're from your community or not.
But you have to permit me to do one thing. You see, never I say okay, I will have to reach out to your king. I will call him to find out if all what you said is truth. After that, I will communicate with you people.
Igwe, Your Highness, may you live long. Umunam.
That's not only work out Raka.
The rich doesn't care how the poor fails.
My wife and my daughter love it. I call both of you here for a discussion concerning the prince marrying our daughter, Lovett. And I also want to ask you, Lovett, since you were born and grew up in this village, have you in any way come in contact with the prince and have a word with him?
No, Papa.
Then Igwe and the Lolo appeared from nowhere, asking you to marry their son, the prince. Let me also ask you, when you went to the palace, did you see the prince? Did the two of you discuss anything?
No, Papa. But Papa, all these questions are not necessary now. I am on a jump class.
Nai, I don't like what you're doing. Why are you trying to discourage this girl from marrying the prince?
Hey, woman, keep your mouth out of this. Shut up. I am not done talking. Love it.
Papa.
You went to the palace. Igwe and the Lolo promised you that their son, the prince, will marry you. You did not even see the prince and discuss anything with him. And now you are preparing to go to the palace. Okay?
Papa, that one is not a problem. Since the Igwe and the Lolo chose me for their son, it's not a problem now. They have the final say. If they said, I'm the one, Papa. I'm the one for the prince. They have the final say. Everything is okay now.
Lovett, I'm ashamed of you. Eh? I am also disappointed at you. See, I am regretting spending my money sending you to the university. Is this how you want to pay me back for all the money I spent on you through your university?
Papa, the prince will pay you back the money. If that one is your problem.
Prince will pay me back. Now you listen to me. Listen to me, young lady. You are going nowhere. Mark my word. You are going nowhere.
You will not spoil things from you. You will not use your pomposity and stubbornness to spoil this prayer answer for me. Because as long as I'm concerned, God has answered my prayer. You want the prince to come and visit you before you give your consent. Where? In this house. If he comes, you have good wine to present to him. As the prince of this kingdom, what will you give him? Eh? What can you boast of that you have in this house? You are inviting a visitor to come. You want somebody to come and visit you? Or do you just want to disgrace this family? Eh? Nne.
Mama.
Okwema, it's tomorrow that you'll be going to the royal family.
I can't wait, Mama.
Go and pack your things. So I don't want to hear, Mama, I didn't pack this, so I forgot this. No. Go and get your things ready, Biko.
Mama, Mama, you see this night, I will be awake till tomorrow morning. I'm not going to sleep.
Happiness can make you not to sleep.
Right.
Happiness can make go inside. Okay. Pack your bag, even if you're not sleeping. Pack your bag, get everything ready.
I'm going right now.
Hey, my friend, sit down there. Sit down there. Where do you think you're going?
To pack my bag.
In other words, all the things I've been saying has no meaning to both of you.
Imaburo.
Eh.
Papa, you have bro jam class, I know.
If you're scared of your father, go inside and pack.
Pack
your bag. What nonsense is this? But I don't know. My daughter wants to marry a rich man, a prince for that matter. You don't want to allow her. Hey, my daughter. You're ready? Yeah, so. Hey.
Hey, Papa, I'm leaving for my husband's house. Please take good care of yourself for me, okay? Mama, I will miss you so much.
I will miss you too, my daughter. Yeah. Take good care of yourself.
I will, and you too.
Remember, you're now the new queen. Brother. My God will bless you. Thank you so much for all that you have done for me and this family. I don't know what I would have done without you.
You are my sister, and I can do anything to keep you and your family happy.
You have done it.
Let's go now.
Take care of my daughter. Even this one she's wearing now, very soon it will be dirty. Oh yeah, now.
Papa, bye-bye. I'll miss you. Bye-bye. Mama, bye-bye.
My in-law, you come to the palace to the Igwe like we said, eh? All the very important.
Mama, bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh my God.
Take care of yourself, oh. Bye. Very soon, I'll be visiting the palace. Nkwado chanaga kadumanya shi, ne queen. Hey, no! What Chineke amu makabi? What amu makabi? Bibi gari a ewo.
She? What is happening? And who is that girl?
I actually don't know. The Igwe and Lolo asked Onowu to bring her for the prince to marry.
Why? Why would the Igwe and Lolo bring a girl like that for the prince to marry? Is the prince looking for a wife?
I don't know. Let's sit and watch the outcome of it.
Hey. Amara, if this is true, this is totally unfair. I am not in support of it. Why would they do that? If the prince wants to get a wife, he shouldn't leave this palace to get a wife.
You have started again. What is wrong with this? Is the prince not ripe enough to get married?
No! Yes. No. I know my prince. My prince can't do that. He's not in support of this arrangement. I know. Yes, he is not in support of this arrangement. They just want to force me to marry that girl. I know him. She's not even his type. He's not in support.
Look at you. How do you know? Are you a member of the royal family? Are you? Just be here and be contemplating nonsense. Please, I'm out of here.
Hey. No. If what Amara just said is true, that means my plans of getting married to the prince has just failed. No, now. They cannot do this to me. They can't. I've been battling with Choma for getting close to the prince. And now this. Ochakomaka. Why are they doing this to me now? Where did they bring that girl from? Am I not beautiful enough for the prince? I've planned my life. I've planned my future with the prince. I've planned everything. It will not work. I won't even let this work. Never. Okay. It will not end like this.
But how can they connive and bring in a woman for a full-grown man like the prince to marry? I mean, the prince is matured enough to go out there and look for a suitable wife for himself. Not with the help of the parent. Oh no. It doesn't sit well with me. Bringing in a girl as if she's some kind of goods in the market.
The father was not happy when we left. I don't think the idea was cool to him. He didn't say anything to us.
I mean, why would he be? He knows tradition. They did not follow the due process. It is obvious. Anyway, I wish them the best. Honestly, I am really be hopeful and optimistic about the future. I wish them the best. Like I am so happy for the prince, honestly.
You're not angry.
Angry about what? Are you serious right now? He is not my boyfriend. Neither is he my fiancé. So why should I be angry? Okay, I'm watching. Keep watching. Goats.
Okay.
I'm going to the kitchen.
I'll follow you.
Follow me and do what?
I will help you in the kitchen now.
Is that your duty post?
I don't have what I'm doing, so let me follow my friend to the kitchen.
Go to your duty post. Don't follow me. I don't want to see you in that kitchen.
Okay.
I left some food in the freezer and I can't find it. And I know you're the one. Mind you, I poisoned it. Idiot. I don't want to see you in that kitchen.
Choma and Deka together.
Father, are you serious? Mom, are you aware of this?
Yes. That's your wife.
Come on, Dad. I'm too grown for this shit. I can make choices for myself. I'm old enough to make decisions for myself. Dad, this is not 1924. Come on. I'm a grown man. You can't just go outside and import a woman for me to marry. That's totally unacceptable. And you?
My prince.
Who the hell are you?
Your wife to be.
You're my wife to be. Says who? Are you dumb?
No, my prince.
Do you know me before? Have you met me before? Did I tell you I want to marry you?
I'm your wife to be, my prince.
You must be dumb. You are just fine for nothing. Hey,
Stop that.
Listen and listen good. I don't care what my mom and my dad told you. I suggest you go home and read your books.
I'm done with my school, my prince.
Obiora, what is all this? Eh? You're embarrassing us. Obiora, don't walk out on us. Obiora, come back here. Obiora!
Why are you asking? What are we going to do? As if you don't know your son. What is just done is to behave the way every sane human being would behave. Eh? Abba. Eh? Go, you know what you do? Take your son's wife to his room. Allow them together. Eh? They will adjust. No. He will get to like her and he will be happy with her. You know, what he just did is what they call initial grammar.
Just start tomorrow, okay?
Oh no! Please, sorry for the embarrassment. You know my son too well.
My lord, you know what I'm going to do? I will just take her to the guest room to rest while our son calm down. Okay?
You should calm down.
My daughter,
whatever you have to do.
I hope you're not angry with my son's action.
No, I'm fine. I'm good.
Let me take you to the guest room.
My prince.
Hey, it's not what you think, okay? I'm not part of the arrangement. Trust me, my parents have always wanted me to marry a woman of their choice, but I have no hand in it.
Why are you telling me this? Listen, I am happy for you, my prince. It is a welcomed development for a man of your age to be married. I know you might feel somehow because your parents didn't put you through before making the arrangement, but I believe they mean well for you. So if you will be kind enough to give her attention, get close to her, get to know her, I believe she's a good woman.
That's exactly my problem. I can't talk to her, let alone getting close to her. I feel I am grown enough to make my own decisions. And guess what? I did already. I found her. She's the right woman for me. She has all the qualities a man wants in a woman. She's beautiful. She's well spoken. She's well behaved. She's almost like a goddess. And I'm going to go after her. Not even my parents can stop me.
Amazing. I am genuinely happy for you. Where is she from? Is she from this kingdom?
Is she open?
Your Highness.
I sent for you and your brothers concerning the issues we discussed last time. I've done my own personal investigation. I spoke with your king. Everything that he told me made me believe that everything you said is the truth.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Based on that, I will permit you and your families to live in my kingdom.
Hey, Igwe Kenga.
But one thing is this. You have to be good. Because I still have to watch over your characters and know whether we are going to integrate you into the community.
Hey, thank you so much, Your Highness. I'm a man with few words. I promise you, my brothers and I, we are peace-loving people. You will like us. We are peace-loving people. Just like food and water. Nothing will warrant us to cause any chaos in this kingdom. You will love us more. Once again, thank you so much, Your Highness.
Thank you, Your Majesty. May the gods of this land guide and protect you for the rest of your life.
It's
Your Majesty, thank you. You see, Your Majesty, I thank you. And I've said this before and I will say it again. You are a good man. Thank you so much. We will never disappoint you.
It's all right. It's all right. You are welcome to my kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness.
At any time, you can move in with your families.
Igwe.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you so much. May you live long.
Thank you, Your Highness.
At least now that the owner of the property is around, some people will go and hit their head on the wall and stop parading themselves as the princess in making. No more jahe. No more jackassing. Stupid fool. Look at how she's whining her waist.
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. The rich doesn't care how the poor feels.
Nine. Your plans are okay, but I have a problem.
And what is it?
My cassava is the farm. You happen to eat if you leave the community.
Is that one problem? Just tell people you need money that you want to sell your cassava.
But what I'm saying is that the cassava in the farm is too big. Who will have the money to pay for it?
Yeah. At times you talk like one. Can't you go to the Just tell them and you'll be surprised to see how people will rush and buy the whole of that cassava. And I say, as if no one here. Please let me enjoy this food. And secondly, tell the children to start arranging their things because we'll soon leave this community.
It's okay. I will tell them when the journey is set.
Not when the journey. Any moment from now, I am Apple. So tell them.
Oh. Should I go now and say, okay?
I don't understand. The prince told you all this. Like, what is he trying to insinuate?
Honestly, I don't know. Same question I've been asking myself. So when I walked into his room, he met me and he was like, I can explain. It's not what you think and all that. I mean, the fact is that I am not even angry. He's not my boyfriend, neither is he my brother. And I am genuinely happy that he's about to marry Lovett. So the only place I find a little bit funny is his parents. I mean, they were supposed to carry him along in this, instead of just getting him a wife out of the blues. That's all.
Something is going through my mind.
What is it?
Don't worry. When I'm done investigating, I will tell you.
What are you investigating? Njideka, when have you become an investigator that investigates crime?
When I'm done, I will tell you.
Tell me now.
What's going on? Since I came to this house, I've not been out or sleep into a washroom, called my husband to talk more of him to chill me. What is happening? Am I mistaken or what? Will this marriage work? Cold. What do I do? Do the queen promised? She assured me that everything is fine. Should I believe her or not? Yes, I think she's right. If we walk out, let's see too.
What is happening in Omona Kingdom? What is going on in Omona Kingdom? No more peace, no more harmony in our kingdom.
What are you doing here?
My prince, good day.
What are you doing in my room?
My prince, please calm down.
Hey! Listen. Listen to me! Now listen and listen good. Whatever plans you have with my parents to marry you, it's not going to work. It is not going to work! Because I have someone in my life. I have someone already. So get out!
But my prince, I
said get out! Good! Get out!
What is going on here? Lovett, what is the problem?
My queen, since I moved into this palace, I've been staying in a different room without seeing the man I called my husband to be or even talk with him. So today I decided to move into his room so that we can get used to ourselves. He scolded me and asked me to get out.
Oh, my daughter, it's okay.
My queen, is it a crime to love someone?
It's alright. It's alright. I'll see to that, okay? Just wait for me outside. I'll talk to you later. Okay?
Okay, but my bag will be here.
Don't worry, leave the bag. I'll be with you shortly, okay?
My queen, I love him.
I know. I'll talk to you, okay? Son? What offense has your father and I committed for getting this beautiful girl for you to marry? Son, why do you hate that girl so much? Lovett is a good girl from a good home. Such a sweet girl. Such a beautiful girl. Have your father and I committed any crime getting her for you to marry? Please, my dear, I beg you, do not break my heart.
Mom, you need to stop. Alright? Enough. You need to stop. Please. From the very first time I saw that girl, I told her politely, it is not going to work. I was very honest. I said, it is not going to work because I have someone else I want to marry. I have someone else that loves me with all her heart.
And who could that be? Someone that your father and I do not know about.
When the right time comes, you're going to meet her.
Let me tell you this. Get it into your head. Lovett is your wife. Whether you like it or not, you are going to marry her. Yes, it's an order. Take it or leave it.
Okay.
I know where my heart is. Only me know what my heart wants. I'm a Ramoye Bobby man. I know who my heart is yearning for. Cause only beauty, no be waiting I want to, mama. Marble stainless, no be waiting I want to, papa. Academic qualifications, no be waiting I want to, mama. Only beauty, no be waiting I want to, papa.
My daughter, don't worry. You don't have anything to worry about, okay? Just calm down. I've spoken to him and he gave me all assurance that he's going to marry you. You know that nothing good comes easy. You see this your marriage with my son, you will enjoy it. Just be patient. Yeah? Give him some time to sort himself. Okay? Everything will be alright. Right? The marriage will work, I assure you. He said it, he told me.
Thank you so much, my queen.
You're welcome.
I'm happy now.
Oh, that's my girl. I love you so much. Give me a smile. Just go in there and get your bag, okay?
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Don't be waiting I want to, mama. Only beauty, don't be waiting I want to, papa. I have found my own love. Achakagama bimo.
Child, I don't suffer. You see, for this life, anything where you they do, make sure say nobody see you finish. See finish is not good at all. You see that queen? I the verse for that woman. That woman don't see me finish. How she go ask me to go they serve that thing? That self-acclaimed princess.
What is wrong with it? Eh? Wait, let me ask you. Whom do you want her to assign to do the job? Are you not human being? Are you better than Princess Lovett?
Bien, come. This Amara, if not that you're my best friend, I would have said that you're a witch. What kind of nonsense is that? How is that girl better than me? That overripe pawpaw that is about to spoil is better than me.
At least you are a errand girl. Does that not show you that she's better than you? See, let me advise you as a friend. You better humble yourself and go and do the assignment that is being given to you before the queen will hear this rubbish you're saying here. She will not only sack you, she will humiliate you in this kingdom.
See, I hate that Lovett of a girl. She's so arrogant and full of herself. What does she even feel like? See, let me tell you, I am fearless. I've drank so many fearless and I am so fearless. See that girl? I hate her. That Lovett of a girl that claims to be a princess, I hate her so much. Every time she just be swelling up. Can you imagine that stupid girl? Commanded me to return to her room in an hour time. Imagine, am I her maid?
In an hour?
Did she bring any maid to this palace? Is she paying my salary? Let's forget that the queen assigned me to that stupid girl. If not, I don't even want to work for herself.
In an hour and you are still here running your mouth. You know you've been here, it's almost an hour you've been here ranting. You better go and do what she asked you to do.
And if I don't, if I refuse to do it, what will happen? She cannot do anything. See, let me tell you, see that girl? If you look at that girl closely, look at her eyes. Onwe ka anya da anya dịrị ya mma.
Ah, my prince. Kola has come.
Iche, thank you for the cola.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Iche, I personally came to see you.
Okay.
And because I have some important questions to ask. Makana ndị Igbo si na okenye ada n'ụlọ.
You are more noble.
Exactly.
You are the true son of the soil.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Iche, I want you to tell me the truth. Because I can't remember coming to you to ask your daughter's hands in marriage. And I know that it is prohibited for a woman to move in with a man without observing, the traditional rites.
Oh.
So what exactly is going on? What games are you and my father playing?
Prince Obiora,
Iche.
you are welcome once again.
Thank you.
Dịka ị kwuru si na okenye ada nọ n'ụlọ, iwu amụọ n'ọgbụlị. I heard everything you said. To tell you the truth, I was not in support or part of the arrangement. When Onowu came to my house and said all these things, I told him all these things you just said now. I also told him the implication of what he was about to do. And I also told my daughter and my wife all these things. But they refused to listen to me. My daughter said she wants to marry the prince. She loved the prince. When I found out that their mind was made up, I had no option than to allow them to do their wish. So that was why my daughter moved into that palace.
Iche, thank you very much for saying your own side of the story. You're a man of wisdom.
Please, I want to ask you a question.
Please go ahead.
As it is now, with all these things you just said now, is my daughter really your wife to be? I am asking because I want to know my stand or what she's doing in that palace. Is she really your wife to be? I want to know.
Iche, I'm equally very confused as you are. And I strongly believe that my parents are in a better position to answer that question.
My prince, do you know at times I look at you as if say you're supposed to sit on that throne instead of your father because you are a wise man. No problem. It's all right. I've heard you.
Thank you very much, Iche. I shall be on my way now.
It's okay. My regards to your parents.
That's fine. Yeah.
Amara, if you see this insult, can you imagine that good for nothing girl that calls herself Princess Lovett rain the insult on me today? After I have humbly served her the juice she asked for, she insulted me before her friend. What did her friend say after that? Did she caution her? That one? No! She was busy hailing her. The queen of Umo and her kingdom. The beautiful queen. This and that. Do I blame her? No! Because they say birds of a feather flocks together. You see those two? They are evil. And I hate that girl. I hate that loveth of a girl.
See, you have to tolerate them. Okay? You have to tolerate her. This is an assignment and it must be carried out.
Hey, so I swear to God, if not for one thing, I would have taught her the lesson of her life.
You see? Hey! It's like you're tired of the free food you're getting in this palace, eh? You would have taught her a lesson. The prince's wife to be. Are you even thinking? See, let me warn you. By the time you get yourself into trouble, I will deny you. Yes! Read my lips. I will deny you. Do you understand? Your body, every time your body will be hot. What is wrong with you? You would have taught her a lesson. Go and taught her a lesson.
And what's the meaning of that?
No! Go! Touch it! Troublemaker. How did I even become your friend?
What is going on in Umona Kingdom? No more peace, no more harmony in our kingdom.
Mazi Bekwe, you are not drinking.
Your Majesty, I am not in the mood to take anything. I am here for a very important issue.
And what could that be?
Your Majesty, for some days now, my daughter has been living in this palace. Now I ask you, what is she doing here?
Mazi Bekwe. Okwadoki Nekibo. The ajụjụ na-ajụzi onwe ka ọ dị. Coming from an elder like you. Anyway, your daughter Lovett. Now, Princess Lovett. Underline, Princess Lovett is my son's wife to be.
Under which condition? Under which condition? Now let me ask you, Your Majesty, what you and your family are doing, is it our customs and tradition? Eh? Now let me also ask you, did you or any of your cabinet members come to my house asking for my daughter's hand in marriage, or even your son discuss such with my daughter? Eh? Your Majesty, let me also tell you, this thing you are doing is not our customs and tradition. This is what others will do, and you will advise them. Now you are the one doing it. Why? Eh? Why are you doing this? What is my daughter doing here?
Well, Mazi Bekwe, my son and your daughter, they love each other so much. So much. She's just saying here so they will get to know each other, understand each other, appreciate each other, get loose with each other, and then. But most importantly, I am the Igwe of this kingdom, and I have the power and the authority to lay my hands on anyone I choose.
Your Majesty, and then let me tell you, you see these children, they are deceiving you. Because your son, the prince, he came to my house a few days ago and told me categorically that my daughter is not his wife to be, and she will never be. Release my daughter. What is she doing here? Release my daughter. Release my daughter to go. Eh?
Mazi Bekwe, ongi kafalili. Here he goes. Oh,
Obiora and his pranks. Huh? You know that boy plays a lot of pranks.
You see, because I actually know what my wife, Lolo, and Obiora have discussed about Lovett.
Don't worry. Obiora will marry your daughter. Mazibekwe, go home. Go home and rest. You are stressing yourself over nothing.
Your Majesty, like I said, what we are doing is not our customs and tradition. But that's no problem. Like you also said, if what we are saying is true, send some of your cabinet members to come and do the needful. Else, I will come and bundle my daughter back to my house.
My in-law, cheers to our union.
It's okay.
Hey, cheers.
I have to be on my way. I'm waiting.
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right.
Mom, what is it? Come on, I'm not a child. Don't pull me like that.
Must you insult Lovett your wife to be? Just because of Chioma? A common palace maid? Eh? Now listen to me. You will have to go and apologize to her. She has been crying all this while. What is wrong with you?
Mom, you literally pulled me in here because of Lovett. So Lovett is the reason. I didn't insult her, she insulted herself.
What did she do?
Mom, sit down.
When I'm seated.